Today we got this box and it's a lot of layers of stuff. There's tape and drywall and plastic and more tape and bubble wrap and tons of stuff, and whoever breaks into it wins a prize. So we'll take turns spinning this wheel. Give it a good spin. And let's say I land on a shovel. I get 10 seconds with a big shovel to try and break in. And if I get into the middle, I win. And whoever gets into the middle gets first pick at the prizes in there. And then I'll decide who does the most damage for the next ones. I will not be competing, but Lucas, Henry, Jonathan, Adam, and Saley all will be. Let's just go ladies first. Henry! Yay! Spin the wheel. We got scissors.
Okay.
Okay, your 10 seconds starts in 3, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 10 seconds.
Get it in there. It's thick.
Oh, that's reasonable.
Open.
Done.
That's not how it works.
We have scissors again. No way. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he's doing a very different approach.
Same line.
3, 2, 1, over.
Okay.
Scissors! How is this possible? This is not fake. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, jeez. Oh my
There's dust coming out.
You got to the drywall. There's drywall dust everywhere. Good, done. Saley's up. Absolutely nothing. Okay, go. Oh, this is bad. You're done. Well, the what's taking so long is definitely not true with what Saley just did. Absolutely nothing. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no.
Oh, it's heavy. Oh, jeez.
Oh,
This is not going well.
Oh.
Yeah. End of round 1. Everybody's gone. Let's see what Henry gets on his second run. Drop from porch. Yes. Since there's now 3 feet of snow outside, we're just dropping it from a stool. 2, 1. Oh my! That did nothing. Saw. He got the chop saw. Wait, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my! Wait, that's actually going well. 3, 2, 1, over. Saw. 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. X-Acto knife.
Oh, yeah.
That's good. 2, 1, go.
No, cut.
I can't cut it.
Oh, that
If he is not.
Oh, yeah.
Done.
He did nothing.
Steak knife. That's a good one. Okay, go, Lucas.
Oh.
No, he's.
This man doesn't cook. Okay. 3. He does not cut his vegetables. 1.
Go. Back to hen.
I'm hoping to get a baseball bat. Baseball bat.
Go, just let it go. Shovel. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, I'm scared. 1, done. One of the pegs fell off. Saw. 3, 2, 1, go. He's just ripping it.
Oh shoot.
2, 1. I done.
Hey.
That was good though. But it's all about who gets there. Absolutely nothing. It's actually one of the better ones.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Go. Oh.
Can't pull it out.
Okay.
I want to get a baseball bat so bad.
Throw weights. Because we're so close, we'll let him pull it out and then throw the weight at it.
One eternity later.
Okay. He's on the tape and bubble wrap, and look what it says. Go, 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 go. Stave knife. That's literally the best thing right now.
Don't cut yourself.
There, you're done. No, you did a little bit.
Yeah.
I need a saw.
Hockey stick is doing nothing. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my. That's doing much more.
It's not actually. It doesn't.
Yeah, that's time. You do some considerable damage. You could take the lead over Adam.
3, 2.
Oh wait, I missed
That's good. That's good. Drop from porch.
Oh, that's not gonna do anything.
Go. Oh, drop kicks it. Hey, Jonathan, look at the damage you did. You peeled off this piece of tape. Adam is definitely in the lead right now. If he can seal that. So,
Okay.
go.
I did.
3, 2, 1. Done.
Oh, that's nothing.
I mean, Elijah. Oh. Big spoon. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, done. Didn't do anything. Okay, Lucas spinning. Steak knife. 3, 2, 1, ham. 3, 2, 1. Spin her up, Henry. Scissors. It's not bad for the layer we're on. Your cutters won't cut.
My gun is not cutting.
1. Done.
Ah, you did nothing.
I did nothing.
You're singing to the wheel? It didn't look like it helped. 2, 1.
Go.
Don't hit me, please. Don't hurt me. 3, 2, 1. Done. I'm going ham on it.
8.
I made it, guys. I made it to the bin, guys. I'm so
Can I
good.
destroy this bin?
Okay, try and get the bin out. You need some sharp here. Hammer.
Hammer?
1. Go.
Oh yeah.
5, 4, 3,
Better, Adam.
2, 1. You're done. Elijah's turn. Elijah.
Yeah.
Throw weights.
Oh.
That's not throwing them.
Yeah.
Done. Okay, Lucas. So go.
Don't cut yourself.
1. And the garage door opened. Okay, guys, from now on,
No one's got-
everybody gets 15 seconds with one weapon of your choice. Hammer.
Okay, there's another choice.
Wait, nothing.
Go, Henry. That was a bad choice. 3, 2, 1, go. Pizza break. Seconds with whatever you want. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, with whatever I want?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait.
Can I restart?
What item do you want?
I'm gonna do exactly that.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
I would take absolutely nothing and just start ripping. Oh, that's damage. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! He's got to the prizes! Jonathan wins! Jonathan wins!
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Jonathan got to the prizes, so now we just gotta take him out and let him get his first pick. Wait, Jonathan, here's your options. A Nerf gun,
Yeah, just take
some brand new headphones,
I have this. Okay,
a bigger Minecraft plushie, 3 Mr. Beast bars are one thing, the 2 packs of Carl's gummies are one thing. Okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna take
Carl's gummies.
Well, we completely destroyed.
Jonathan's got the Carl gummies. Adam is our next pick since Adam definitely did most damage.
I think I'll take the Mr. Beast bars.
Oh, Saley is our third pick.
I want more. I want another
Same,
Nerf
bro.
gun.
Saley's got the Nerf gun. Okay. Do you play Minecraft?
Kind of. You want this?
Everybody happy with what they got?
Can
Yeah.
I have a tape?
No.
I want the Mr. Beast bars.
I already couldn't trade.
Okay, he wants these. Oh,
Nuts.
Yeah.
Oh, wait for this.
you got
Yeah,
some
I
broken.
got 2 Mr. Beast.
Okay, Saley's got brand new Nerf gun. Adam traded for the Minecraft plush. Jonathan's got some Carl gummies. Henry doesn't look. He's got some broken headphones. And Lucas got his Mr. Beast bars. There's 3 of them, but they're all broken.
Lucas, I will trade you these fire headphones for